One side and on the bright side, you see it? Father for the nation, I talk to the youths. Hey, listen, man. It's time to get off the corner, bro. We're in December now, man. Time to get off the corner. Make a fresh start. January is right around the corner, bro. Get to that corner. Get to January 2025. Not on the corner that you're there right now. I talk to places like Rockford, Tel Aviv, Jarrett Lane, Waltham Park, Payne Avenue, Bulls Bay, Guys Hill, Russia, Leicester. I talk to places like Johnsontown, Elgintown. Yeah, man, I say, you gotta get off the corner, bro, and get active. Ain't nothing on the corner for you, bro. Nobody's coming to save you on the corner, bro. Listen, you see what's happening in Jamaica right now. I'm just here to tell you, bro, get off the corner and get active. Every day I turn on YouTube, I see Politics Watch, I see On the Spot News Media, Popeyes, My View TV, and a lot more. All these guys doing profiting off your demise, profiting off ghetto youth demise, telling stories like it's a movie. You know what I mean? You guys are dying out there and it's like a movie. Thousands and thousands of views. Bro, it all starts from the corner, bro. It all starts from the company you keep. You gotta love yourself. You gotta save yourself. Is that what I say? Prime Minister ain't coming to save you, bro. Your mom can do so much and no more. You gotta get active. Dancehall artists that are sitting down every day drinking special, smoking weed, that hot grabber, craving a, whatever. Those guys ain't coming to save you, bro. You know what I mean? You gotta get off the corner and get active, get a work. Yeah, you're gonna say, oh, gangster don't work for people, Ray, but listen, bro. January 25, 2025 is right around the corner. And it's sad to say, but I mean, a lot of guys are gonna be, unaliving from the corner. Don't let it be you, my friend. Get off the corner. Get active, bro. Ain't nothing on the corner for you, bro, except jealousy, envy, and bad influence. You need to start getting that guap, getting that money, my nigga. You need to get active. You think those guys you're around now mean you any good? They don't. Yeah, I know your hand is in the tiger mouth. You gotta take your time and take it out. Get it out. You know what I mean? Loyalty to what? My nigga, listen. You need to get off the corner. Get active. Get a work. Start making some real money. Whatever you want, it's out there for you. Whatever your desire is, it's out there for you. It's not gonna land in your lap on the corner. Around those guys that you're sitting down with now, they're just gonna be jealous of you. You don't believe me? Just get like, let's say $100,000 around them. All they're gonna do is influence you to spend it all off, and then you're back at square one with them, and they're gonna be jealous of you the whole time. Get a million, and maybe you die if you don't know what you're doing. I'm telling you, those guys don't mean you any good on the corner, bro. You gotta get off the corner, get active. Whether you're gonna get a 9 to 5, 25, 8, or you're cold. See me, you gotta get off the corner, bro. Ain't nothing on the corner for you. Nobody's gonna save you on the corner. You're on the corner. 5-0, come stop, search you, throw you in the van, bring you down to jailhouse. 3, 4 days in jailhouse. You're on the corner, drinking, starting animosity. You could die. You're on the corner, car pull up, unalive everybody. It's done, say. Mass shooting right now in Jamaica, bro. There ain't nothing on the corner for you, I'm telling you. You gotta get off the corner, get active. You don't know if this is gonna reach you in time, but once you get this, bro, take my word, get off the corner, bro. You see it.